no problem.
So, I'm going to have a party at the new pizza place downtown. I need to plan it out. Can you help me?
Sure, I can help you.
Thanks so much. Do you have any questions about the party?
When is the party?
On Sunday. I want everyone to arrive at 6:30 p.m. How are you getting there? Do you have a car? See you tomorrow, I guess. No, I have never been there. Hi, thanks for coming over.
Hello, my name is Ken. What's yours?